Hello everyone, this is Labhash Gupta, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a opportunity report by which you can see all the opportunities which reach to any particular stage in any particular period of time. And when I say opportunity reaching any particular stage, you might be thinking that it is just a simple report on the opportunity which can be created by adding some kind of filter. So I do have that simple opportunity report, and I'm going to show you that as well. So you can see on my screen, here is the report which shows you all the opportunities which lies in the stage called negotiation and review. If I show you the filters over there, you see that there is a filter for the uh, stage equal to negotiation review. But the thing is, this report won't be showing me the opportunity. If suppose I click on this demo opportunity and I move this demo opportunity to some other stage, let's say close lost, in that case I won't be able to see this opportunity in this report. And my requirement is like, I need to see the report uh, which shows me all the opportunity reaching to any particular stage. Okay. And it might be also a scenario that I need to see the opportunities those as well which reach to any particular stage in any past point of time. So for this, let me just go to the stage and let me just mark it to close lost. And once I mark this to close lost, I will save the opportunity. I will also go to the opportunity report and I will refresh this out. On refreshing the report, you see that the demo opportunity is now no longer here. Okay, so what we can do is we can just go to the reports and create a new report with the report type as opportunity history. So this is something different from the standard or the basic opportunity report. So we have this opportunity history report, and uh, so you can just create this kind of report, adding some columns over there and removing some columns over there. But before we do that, we have to go to, let's say, all opportunity, and let's select the time for all the opportunity, any opportunity we can select. And now I'm gonna add a filter for field change, state change. So what I'm gonna do, I have to see all the opportunity for which there is a field change. So I will select true over here and apply it out. And then I will say that state change should be to value uh, any value. So here is one field called to stage. So I'm gonna select this field and I will select the field, let's say negotiation review. You can select any value as per your requirement, but currently in my scenario, I am going to show you all the opportunities which reach to negotiation review stage even in past time or past lifetime. So let's select this value and apply it out. Once we apply this, we'll just add broaden up the filters so that everything is clear. And yeah, so you can see all the opportunities which reach to negotiation review stage. And if I save and run this report, you should be able to see the demo opportunity as well. So let me just write the, you can just name it any thing, and I'm gonna save the record. Once I save the report, you should be able to see that this demo opportunity is now here. And if I open the demo opportunity in a new tab, you should be able to see that this demo opportunity is not having the stage negotiation review as currently. Rather, it is having a stage close lost. So, but still, this opportunity is appearing in the report. So the thing is, we created a report on the opportunity history and not on the opportunity to find out all the opportunity which were lying in negotiation review stage in any time frame, maybe past as well. And when I say time frame, I can also add a filter for time frame. So let's edit the report to add the time frame. We can we can add a filter saying I need to see the opportunity which were like edited last modified in particular time. So I'm gonna pick the field last modified, and I can like pick any time range over here. So for this demo, I have choose all time ranges, but you can select any custom time range also to find out all the opportunities which were lying in the negotiation review stage in any particular time frame also. So that's how opportunity history report works on a very high level. That's it all from my side. Thanks a lot. And if you do like the video, do hit the like button, and do let me know what things you like to learn more in the Salesforce reports and other things. Thanks a lot.